Welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to remove tokens from Coinomi. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open the Coinomi application on your device. You will be able to see the tokens that you've added in the overview page. To remove a token from the list, simply go ahead and tap on the token and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner inside your token. Now click on remove from favorites and you will then be able to remove the specific token. You can repeat this step for every other token you would like to delete from the favorite list. And that is how you can easily remove a token from your Coinomi dashboard. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.